Well, we're standing in Cranston, and if you don't know Cranston, this house is actually located in the really nice part of Cranston. You're close to the schools, you're close to the ridge for all that amazing walking paths and all the views. And on top of that, this house is located on a nice little cul-de-sac, which is so quiet. Kids can come out here in the street and play, so you got no traffic driving up and down the street. That's a real bonus. Now you also notice as you come up to this house, you have an oversized double garage and a huge, huge parking pad. I mean, you can easily get 3 cars on here. So come inside and have a look. You're gonna love this house. Well, when you walk into the main floor of this home, there's a few things that you'll notice right away. First of all, it does have 9-foot ceilings, which I really like because you always feel like the room isn't so small. You'll also notice the wide plank flooring that they put in. This is really nice, neutral colored wide plank flooring, durable stuff, just perfect for having a family. Now this kitchen, you know, it's the original kitchen. So the cabinets are, you know, that timeless maple colored cabinets, you know, with the dark granite. If you don't like the dark granite, it's pretty easy to change that out, but this really does have a huge island here in the kitchen, which is what I really like. Stainless steel appliances, and you've got a large eating area. I mean, they've got really quite a sizable table here that you could actually entertain guests with. There was, at one time, a 3-sided fireplace that separated the eating area to the main living area. Thank goodness they took that out and they put in a brand new fireplace, an expensive one, and it really does warm up this room in the cold winter days. And then of course you've got plenty of room to be able to watch TV. And one of the biggest features I find in this family room area is that there's windows all across the back looking out towards the west backyard, so there's going to be a ton of sun coming in here during the day, really brightening up the space. So as we come up to the top floor, the first thing you notice is there is the all-important laundry room on the top floor, which I love. And you'll also notice this home has 4 bedrooms upstairs. A lot of these homes, when they built them, they put bonus rooms over the garage with 3 bedrooms. This home's got a large primary bedroom rather than the bonus room. Having the 4 bedrooms upstairs is awesome. I mean, this primary room is fantastic. I mean, there's 6 windows in here. You could put a king-size bed. It can be this great retreat of coming upstairs and having your own little sanctuary up here. Well, standing in the ensuite, this ensuite has everything you want. First of all, there's 2 sinks. Everybody loves that. Nice neutral colored gray tile, large soaker tub, separate shower, a window, which I like. It's nice to have natural light, you know, which is not facing anybody, so don't worry about that. And of course, you have a large walk-in closet. This is the perfect ensuite. You know, all of the bedrooms on the top floor of this home are very spacious. I mean, I'm not kidding. You can put a queen-size bed in every one of them, and there's still room for bedside tables on all of them. So if you have kids or you have a growing family, this home is absolutely perfect for the growing family. All right, well, we're down here in the lower level, and the first thing you notice is the 9-foot ceilings again, which really allows the basement to feel larger than maybe it is. And that also allowed them to put these large egress windows in, so there's some really good natural light coming in here. The homeowner installed a wet bar. You could easily put in another fridge down here, so it's absolutely perfect when you set up your TV and be able to come down here and relax and watch movies. And there's also another full bathroom, which is great. Well, I know it's December and it's hard to talk about backyards, but this backyard is absolutely worth talking about because it's huge. This is a large pie-shaped backyard facing towards the west, so the sun in the summertime is going to be incredible. You're going to really love this backyard in the summer. They put up this pergola here just to give it a little bit of shade as well in the summer. They put a brand new composite deck. They added some extra large trees to create some privacy to next door and also a little bit of shade, making it really comfortable in the summertime. but you don't often get a yard this large in Cranston, so this is a pretty unique opportunity. Just to summarize this home, we're in the beautiful part of Cranston, close to the schools, close to the ridge, an oversized double garage, large pie-shaped yard, 4 bedrooms upstairs, great square footage, just an overall fantastic home for the growing family. So if you'd like to find a home in a neighborhood like this, I think you'll find the value is here. Put this home on your list to come and view this week. Now, if you have a realtor that you already work with, just call your realtor and arrange a viewing as to whenever it's convenient for you. And if you don't work with a realtor, just call myself, and either myself or one of my team members will be happy to show the home at your convenience.